Quick trek overseas now. Chloe Whylie is the best placed Jamaican so far at the Weightlifting World and Commonwealth Championships in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, after finishing 13th overall in the women's 76 kilo event. Whylie, who is competing in her first international competition, recorded scores of 75 in the snatch and 95 in the clean and jerk competitions for a total of 170. The England-based Whylie is a grandniece of the late Professor Rex Netterford. The event was won by Min Lee of South Korea, who recorded a total of 244 after scores of 105 in the snatch and 139 in the clean and jerk sections. Other Jamaicans who have competed so far are Sky Norris, who finished 19th overall in the women's 55 kilogram event, and Omari Mears, who ended 20th overall in the men's 81 kilo competition. Siente Yevgeny Henderson will be the last of the four-member Jamaican team in action when she competes in the women's 87 kilogram competition on Thursday. Now, President of the Jamaica Weightlifting Federation, Dr. Mark Broomfield, has lauded the performance of the team so far. Of course, this is Jamaica's first participation at the Weightlifting World Championships in over 20 years.
Are ecstatic of Jamaica's performance in the World Championship. They are happy to see us. So I've had a number of meetings with members of the IWF, executive members of the Commonwealth, with other countries who have all played to help support the Jamaica Weightlifting Federation development of its coaches and players.